Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. This video is in collaboration with Funday, and this is hosted by Janny and Dyanne from Deco Easy and Trish and Kay from Crafting Cousins. If you haven't already, please be sure to visit their channels. I'll leave their links in my description box as well as the playlist of all the participants. So today I'm going to do a couple of projects. So let's get started. This is my final reveal of this canvas. I just wanted to stick those cute flowers which were like almost like neutral. So I just stuck bloom within with the stickers, and I created this gingham ribbon with one white bead. I painted those beads from Dollar Tree in white paint, and I just stuck it in the center, and that's all it needs. It's so pretty as is, so I didn't want to decorate more. So yeah, this is one of the cute spring decor that I'm going to do. So I wanted to share it with you all today. I hope you like it. Let me know your thoughts on this. framed picture, and then I can't tell how much I love this. See the beautiful color combination. It's so subtle, and the frame and also the vase is like half colored, and then the neutral color flowers. I just love this whole picture, so I thought I should incorporate this in one of my projects. So like you saw the process, I painted the borders with black, and I just took one of the bow, the gingham bow, and I had some white flowers on either side. That's all it needs, and it looks so elegant and pretty. I'm just loving this. Let me know your thoughts on this. So these are the two simple and easy spring decor that I wanted to share with you all. So this is just like neutral and a little bit of pink here and there. So since it's spring, so I have to incorporate some colors in there. If you want to share any comments towards my channel, I would appreciate that. Like I always say, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.